Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all. So I've been getting a lot of questions lately because everyone knows that I own chickens and have owned chickens for at least 30 years, and they want to know about the avian flu scare that you keep hearing about. So I thought I would take a few minutes to discuss that. You know what? My hair is wet and I'm cold. Let me go get a jacket or a shawl. All right, there, that's better. So anyway, I keep getting a lot of questions about, am I worried about avian flu? Am I going to get rid of my chickens? What is the other ones? Are the eggs contaminated if they do have avian flu? Is the county going to come confiscate and cull my chickens if there's an outbreak here? So many questions, and I understand that a lot of people are afraid when they see news headlines. I get that, but again, I've raised chickens for nearly 30 years, and this is not the first avian flu scare. This happens so much that I hardly even notice it when it comes out as a headline. As chicken owners, we always keep an eye on our chickens and monitor their health. We would know if they were exhibiting symptoms of some sort of illness for the most part. If they suddenly started dying or, making that coughing sound. But anyway, the blanket answer is no, we're not afraid of avian flu. We've never had any kind of an issue in the past. Am I going to wear a mask and gloves when handling my chickens or anything they've touched? No, I'm not. I am in no way, shape, or form concerned. We do have a lot of migratory or wild birds that come into our yard to get the feed that my chickens don't eat during the day. The bluebirds, the cardinals, the blue jays, mockingbirds, whatever different kind of birds. We do get a lot of wild birds. We live on a lake, so we even have all, these huge birds. I can't even remember what they're called. They have the really long legs and they poke around cranes. So I think it's a crane. We've got eagles. We've got all kinds of birds here right on the lake. So we've never experienced any problems in the 8 years we've lived here or prior to living here. So no, I am absolutely not worried about avian flu. I will not be getting rid of my chickens. I will not be giving them anything that I don't normally give them. Our main concern right now is the Arctic blast that's coming and getting them prepared for that. It might be a valid concern if there is an outbreak in your area, but there is not an outbreak in my area, so I have zero concerns about it. As far as getting avian or bird flu from eating a contaminated egg, there is no evidence that I'm aware of that you could ever get bird flu from eating an egg. And if you're cooking your eggs well, you shouldn't get any kind of disease that might be in a chicken flock. So just be sure and cook your eggs if you're concerned about anything that might be a contamination. But we're not worried about it, no. So to summarize, no, we're not worried about bird flu. We will not be getting rid of our chickens. We are not concerned about eating the eggs from our chickens. We will not be keeping them cooped up to protect them from wild birds. And we will not be doing anything different than we've ever done for the last 30 years, except making sure they stay warm, healthy, hydrated, and well fed. So that being said, I need to get them ready for the Arctic front that's coming. I hope this answered your questions as to how we're personally handling our backyard chickens. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.